In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor social icons and share buttons. So in order to do that, first head over to elementor.com, create an account by clicking onto this Get Started option or clicking onto this Login option. So if you already have one, just click on this. And then from in there, let's head over to wordpress.com. We will use WordPress to host our Elementor. So click onto this Get Started right here to create an account or click onto this Login in here again. Now I already have an account, so let me head over and log in on both. Now this is the web page that I have created using my WordPress Elementor. You can just input right here the social icons by clicking on the elements and searching in here for social. Drag it right here, and then you can add in here the social media options that you would want. On default, we have Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So on here, you can click on items and you can see in here that you can type in here the link for those URLs. So input right here the link for that. So you can just input your social media options from there. So from there, once you're done, head over and save it if you would want. Then click on this publish. Now, in order to use it, you should be able to use it as a viewer. You can do so by clicking onto this drop down. Click on this view page option, and then this should be able to open that particular page. Now you can scroll down, and from in there you can see this. You can click on your icon, and you will be redirected to the particular URL that you have inputted on that part as well. So from in there, you can see that we have three icons right now. You can actually change that into making it four. And for this, you can also share this particular page using share options that we can see right here as well if you format it that way. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.